All right, 2012 Ford Focus, doing an engine swap on it. This engine's bad. It's the 2.0 non-turbo, and got another engine over there. So I just want to show this quick tip over here. So when you're taking out the linkage, and I've actually seen a bunch of people make this mistake, if you look, and this is for the automatic transmission, this is the shifter cable. I've seen people actually put a screwdriver right in here and pop this out thinking that's the release tab. Actually, no, that is an adjustment on it, and you do not have to touch this or mess with this whatsoever. So if you want to take this out, all you really need to do is, number one, get a screwdriver in here, and I've already popped mine out, twist it, and this thing comes right out. So now the next step that you want to do is, if you look right over here, you got two 10mm bolts, which we're going to go ahead and buzz these out. Simple. And we drop everything. And that actually comes out just like so. And then right over here, there's actually, underneath this battery thing, there's actually a little clamp that actually holds this right over here. So I've already popped that out. And all this comes out just like this. It is free. We don't have to mess with the adjustment, and our cable's good to go, and we could tuck that to the side when we're ready to pull the engine out. A suggestion that I make is that before you go ahead and take that apart, make sure the vehicle is in neutral, because you're going to disconnect the battery and everything. You won't be able to get it in there. Make sure it's in neutral. Once it's in neutral, go ahead and pop all that out, and you should be good to go. So I just want to show that quick tip where you don't mess with this adjustment. All you need to do is just pop it out, make sure it's in neutral, and you'll be good to go. So hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.